Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make paper shells. This fun craft is perfect for adding a touch of handmade charm to your home or for a creative activity. You'll only need a few simple items to get started. First, select some square paper, perhaps 15 by 15 centimeters or 20 by 20 centimeters. The color and pattern of your paper will make each shell truly unique, so pick something you love. Let's begin with the foundational folds. Start by folding your square paper in half diagonally, then unfold it to establish a clear center crease. Next, take the bottom two corners and fold them inwards, aligning them with that central line. Finally, fold the small triangular section at the very bottom upwards, ensuring the base of your shell becomes straight and even. Now, let's give our shell its distinctive shape. Take one outer edge and fold it into the middle, then fold it back out, creating a zigzag pattern. Repeat this process on the opposite side. Once both sides have these folds, gently open the paper into a fan, carefully curving the edges to achieve that beautiful, organic shell appearance. This step truly brings your paper shell to life. With your shell now formed, you can refine its appearance by carefully refolding any lines to ensure symmetry and a crisp finish. These delightful paper shells are perfect for decorating tables or adding a unique touch to any space. Consider making several in different sizes and colors. You can even use a hole punch and some string to craft a beautiful, handmade garland. Enjoy your lovely paper creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.